Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. My name is Abby and I'm going to be talking about how quickly and easily I can make changes to my parts within SOLIDWORKS. And while I'm going through this video, I want you to think about how long it might take you to do this in another program. So you'll see within SOLIDWORKS, all I have to do is make a change to one dimension and SOLIDWORKS will take care of the rest for me. So this is the model that I'm going to be working with today. And let's say I'm a designer and I need to make a change to this dimension, this 95mm length. All I would have to do is come into the sketch and let's say I have to change it to 105mm. I come back out to the main model and you can see that it updates the rest of the geometry with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a drawing from this part. And I just choose a template that my company has created for me. And as you can see, I can add a company logo to the drawing template, so it makes it look really nice. So on the right side, you can see that SOLIDWORKS automatically populates the drawing views for me. I don't have to do any drawing. It's a big time saver. All I have to do is drag and drop these onto my drawing sheet. And you will notice as I move my cursor around, it automatically creates the other views right along with it. And you'll see it also automatically populates the dimensions that are associated with my model. So last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw in an isometric view and have that shaded. So now if I zoom in, you can see the 105mm dimension that we just changed within the 3D model. I can come in here and change this back to 95 if I have to. And you can see that it'll automatically update the rest of the drawing views. So now if I go back into my 3D model and I take a look at that dimension, you can see that it is also 95. So I hope you can see how easily and quickly I was able to update my parts and my drawing and also my model. I didn't have to do any redrawing. All I had to do was just click on one dimension and change that, and SOLIDWORKS took care of the rest of it. Thank you.